A paragraph is a group of sentences that focuses on one main idea. It usually contains three important parts: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and the closing sentence. Each part has a different role in making the paragraph clear and complete. The topic sentence is often the first sentence. It tells the reader what the paragraph is about. For example, if a paragraph is about healthy eating, the topic sentence might be, "Healthy eating helps the body stay strong and energetic." This sentence gives the main idea right away. The supporting sentences come after the topic sentence. They give facts, reasons, examples, or explanations that develop the main idea. For instance, one sentence might explain that fruits and vegetables provide vitamins. Another might say that drinking enough water helps the body work well. These sentences make the paragraph more detailed and convincing. The closing sentence is usually the last sentence. It ends the paragraph smoothly and may remind the reader of the main idea. For example, a closing sentence could be, "For these reasons, eating well is an important part of a healthy life." This sentence gives a sense of completion. A good paragraph moves clearly from the main idea to the details and then to the ending. When the parts work together, the reader can understand the message easily. Knowing these parts helps writers create stronger paragraphs in school, work, and everyday communication.